Ever dipped your fork into a steaming dish of traditional French ratatouille? If not, prepare to be tantalized by the symphony of flavors this vegetable stew has to offer. Hailing from sunny Provence, ratatouille is a celebration of fresh produce, using eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, and garlic, all simmered to perfection and laced with herbs like thyme and basil. Imagine the aroma of these vegetables as they slowly cook, each ingredient releasing its unique flavor into the stew, creating a dish that's more than the sum of its parts. So why not bring a bit of French countryside into your kitchen? Kick off this culinary journey by gathering all the ingredients. First, pick up 2 medium-sized eggplants and 3 zucchinis. You'll also need 2 bell peppers. 1 red and 1 yellow would add a nice pop of color. 4 ripe tomatoes, 2 onions, and 6 cloves of garlic are also essential. For the herbs, secure fresh thyme and basil leaves. Salt, pepper, and olive oil round off the list. Start by slicing the eggplants and zucchinis into 1/2-inch thick rounds. Next, chop the bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes into similar-sized pieces. Crush the garlic cloves, and finally chop the thyme and basil leaves. Heat up a generous drizzle of olive oil in a large pot. Sauté the onions and garlic until they soften and release their fragrance. This forms the flavorful foundation of our ratatouille. Add the eggplants, zucchinis, and bell peppers to the pot. Stir occasionally, allowing the vegetables to brown slightly. This will enhance their natural sweetness and create a depth of flavor. When the vegetables are slightly caramelized, toss in the tomatoes, thyme, and basil. Season with salt and pepper. Mix everything together and reduce the heat to a simmer. Now comes the magic. Let the ratatouille stew gently, allowing the flavors to meld together. This could take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. The longer it simmers, the more intense the flavors become. Once the vegetables are tender and the sauce is rich and thick, your ratatouille is ready. Serve it warm as a side dish or make it the star of the meal, accompanied by crusty bread or fluffy rice. And there you have it. Traditional French ratatouille, a dish that sings with the flavors of fresh vegetables and herbs. It's a simple recipe, but the result is a hearty, comforting stew that's sure to impress. So why not give it a whirl? Take a culinary trip to France without leaving your kitchen. With each bite of ratatouille, you'll experience a taste of Provence right at your dining table. Bon appétit!